There's new information tonight into why the former director of the Portsmouth Board of Health resigned.
The Board of Medicine reprimanded Dr. Jose Rodriguez last week for allowing a family member who was not licensed to perform examinations and invasive medical tests on patients. 10 on your side's Melanie Woodrow spoke with Dr. Rodriguez's wife today. Melanie?
She says there was a misunderstanding and that her husband did not know he was violating Virginia law and that the family member is a doctor in Puerto Rico. But according to documents, that family member is not licensed by the Virginia Board of Medicine or any other healthcare board. According to the Virginia Board of Medicine, Dr. Jose Rodriguez violated Virginia code when he allowed a woman to perform medical procedures on patients last June, even though she was not licensed in the state of Virginia to do so. Dr. Rodriguez introduced the unnamed woman to staff as a visiting physician training with us. Dr. Rodriguez's wife, Carmen, says the woman, a distant relative, was a doctor in Puerto Rico and that she was supervised by a nurse practitioner while in Virginia.
Just like any medical student and any intern or resident in the hospital that have supervision.
Rodriguez says her husband, who was the director of the Portsmouth Health Department at the time, did not know he was doing anything wrong. When someone anonymously reported him to the Board of Medicine, he resigned.
The reason why he decided to resign is because he was ill. He was diagnosed with cancer, and it was the second time that he had cancer. He didn't know that he was going to make it or not.
Rodriguez could not say whether or not the nurse practitioner or her husband told patients the person performing their procedures was not licensed in Virginia. The Board of Medicine issued Rodriguez a reprimand, and he is still licensed to practice. And Dr. Rodriguez's wife says that he is now practicing medicine in Norfolk, which is why he was not available to speak with us today. In a statement that was given to 10 on your side, a deputy with the Virginia Department of Health said that he could not comment on confidential personnel issues. He added that the department conducts a thorough investigation and follow-up whenever it receives a complaint. In the newsroom, Melanie Woodrow, 10 on your side.